Realtor friends, it's time to wake up, get your ass out of bed, and get to work.
Specifically, we're hoping to see you this coming Thursday, July the 17th from 10 a.m. until 12 noon at our Realtor Open House at 416 Forestlawn Road in Waterloo.
There'll be coffee, snacks, and prizes worth up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. But you have to show up to win.
No show, no prize. Them's the rules. And we're only sending this invitation out to our very favorite realtor friends. So if you're getting this message, you know you're on the list.
Click the link below to register today, and we're looking forward to seeing you at 416 Forest Lawn.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen. Kill!